मंगळारा वजन माप खात्यान शिरोडा, मार्दोळ, फर्मागुडी आणि बांदोडा वाठारांनी पसऱ्यांचेर धाड घालून कायदेशीर मेट्रोलॉजीचे नेम मोडिल्ल्यान सुमार 13 पसरकारांच्या विरोधात कागाळी नोंदयल्यो। हे धाडीत सुमार 80,000 रुपयांचे मालमत्ता जप्त केल्या।
वजनमाप खात्यान जनरल स्टोर्स, हॉर्टिकल्चर, सोऱ्याची बार्रां आणि रेस्टॉरंटां आशिल्ल्या व्यावसायिक वाठारांनी तपासणी केली। शिरोडे, म्हाड्डोळ, फार्मागुडी आणि बांदोडा वाठारांनी इन्स्पेक्टर शुबर्ट डिकोस्टा आणि त्याच्या पंगडान धाड घालून अख्ख्या म्हयनोभरात सुमार 299 तपासण्यो केल्यो आणि डुप्लिकेट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक आणि मेकॅनिकल वजनाचे तागडे सयत 80,000 रुपयांचो माल जप्त केलो। पळयात।
On yesterday, that is on 22nd February 2022, I, Mr. Shubert John DeCosta, Inspector Legal Metrology Ponda, carried out a joint inspection along with my officers, Mr. Demu Mapari, Assistant Controller, Central Zone, Mr. Vikas Kandolkar, Inspector Kurchare, and along with my legal metrology team. During the inspection, we visited the areas of Pandora, Mardol, Farmagudi, Shiroda. For the yesterday, we had conducted around 23 inspections, for which we have booked 13 cases. In those cases, we have booked 4 package commodity cases and 9 enforcement cases. The 4 package commodity cases, 2 were booked against Woodwing Furniture and Mahalakshmi Furniture in Pandora area. These traders were having packaged commodity which did not bear the mandatory declarations as required under the Legal Metrology Act 2009 and the Legal Metrology Rules 2011. Hence it was seized and detained. Another 2 cases were booked in Shiroda, one against Daya Jivani Supermarket and Shantadurga General Store, and the other was Alisha Enterprises, wherein these traders were packing food grains in package form without obtaining the registration of manufacturer and packer with the legal metrology department. All these inspections were carried out under the guidance of our controller, Mr. Prasad Shirodkar, Mr. Arun Panchwadkar, Assistant Controller, Central Laboratory, and the similar inspections will be carried out in time to time and as per the procedure laid out.
Total good work?
The total inspections for the overall month, what we have done is 299 inspections. Total cases booked for the month are 47. The package commodity cases booked are 10 cases, while the enforcement cases booked are 37 cases.
What is the cost?
The estimate of the package commodity goods seized is around worth 80,000.
गोवा 365 खातीर फोणेच्यान कृष्णा नायक।